On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram direct messages not loading. Hello guys, so to fix this problem is very easy and simple. All what you have to do is simple. Go to the settings right here, just don't open Instagram, close it first, and then go to the settings, go to the apps, and then go to apps. Now all what you have to do here, scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it. Now on this page, all what you have to do is go down to this app details option, and after you click on it, it will take you directly to this page. All what you have to do here is simple. Just click on this update option, and after that you need to wait a few seconds. It will start updating, and after that, let's go back. Now all what you have to do is open Instagram and the problem must be solved. Yeah, now restart your phone, and that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you later in the next video.